Throughout the project, they just seemed to care about what we wanted, and they were keen to deliver and be flexible throughout. So I think if I was talking to someone and they were asking us about who to have on a similar project, I'd have no hesitation in suggesting Habify. They just literally cared throughout. They were conscious about what we needed, and the fitters were absolutely outstanding. We started off with a conservatory which was pretty much unusable. We've ended up with an extension that is incredibly usable. We've been through 32 degrees recently and the room was still usable, whereas in the previous period we'd have seen this conservatory hit temperatures of 120 degrees and you physically couldn't be in it. So a massive change, and we searched around to find out if someone could answer that question: does a solid roof make a difference to living with a conservatory? And I can promise you it does.